Hi, this is the video to show you what to do for instead of coming to class. We're going to be talking about chapter 5 in the textbook. So practice phonograms one time and then start reading chapter 5 in the textbook. On page 71, make your notebook like mine. The more it looks like mine, or maybe even better than mine, the more points. Okay, here's kind of like how mine is set up. So take some notes on the top here, learning letter names. There's 3 principles. What are some materials you might need, and what is the lesson sequence? There's 6 of them. When you finish with that, now you're going to go on to pages 72 to 73, that should say. Find the sound card that I gave you in class, and that's in your notebook on page 70. That card, you're going to pick one of the sounds if it has more than one, and the way that it's represented in print. You're going to use that to create in your notebook on pages 72 to 73. Mine, you can click on this to see what my page looks like. It's pretty blank. But you're going to kind of copy what was on 65 to 67 in your textbook, but with your sound card. Okay, and the more it looks like the book on pages 65 to 67 from the chapter 5, the more points. When you're all done, submit pages 69 to 73, stuff we did in class, and then stuff on this about teaching letters that match up with sounds. Okay? All right, I'll have a good break and I'll see you later.